I will show you a set of exercises, things to do every day. Don't be lazy 1 or 2 times a day. This includes Su-Jok. This includes self-massage and Chinese technique. Do not be lazy. Be with me, and I am with you. 10 clicks and hands start burning. This exercise only seems easy, but try to make it to the end. Already after the first laps you will feel how even those muscles start working, which you rarely use. It strengthens fingers and brushes, improves joint mobility, increases blood circulation, helps lymph, burns calories, relieves stress and fatigue, and after a minute it helps to feel a surge of energy. And if you do this exercise every day, very soon you will notice that fingers got stronger and movements more confident and accurate. Click hard and don't miss movements. Do 10 circles with each hand. If you felt a burning sensation in your fingers and hands, means exercise works exactly as needed. Just 1 minute a day, and the effect is pleasantly surprising. You might not see mine anymore. You'd be surprised, but the longevity zone is right on your hand. Not somewhere in the mountains or a lab, but here, between the tendons of the pinky and ring finger, on the back of the brush. If you massage this place at least a minute a day, body will start to change. Find a small hole between the tendons. Massage your other hand, finger deeply, but softly, slowly, with feeling warm. First on one hand, then on another. This simple massage activates blood circulation, improves the work of internal organs, relieves internal tension, and triggers natural recovery processes. You seem to include an internal regeneration mode. 1–2 minutes a day, and the body itself begins to return energy, lightness, and tone. This is how natural rejuvenation works, without pills, without wonders. Try 4 secret points for instant control, stress, and well-being. You can massage them while going to the subway or sitting at work. First point of peace of mind. Her activation helps calm anxiety and regain control of emotions in any situation. Second is responsible for internal balance, helps to quickly get rid of nausea or motion sickness. Third point is a real natural analgesic. Impact on her relieves muscle tension and helps the head become clear and easy. Fourth point gives deep relaxation to the nervous system. She's perfect after a rough day for recuperation and harmonious sleep. Give each zone a few minutes to feel how the tension goes away. Subscribe to don't miss the wholesome. Make sure to remember this place. Heart most loves this particular movement. If you do 30 repetitions every day, hands will become lighter and more mobile, and the heart will get more energy to work. If remembered, do not rush to scroll. Life expectancy directly depends on hands. Yes, some nonsense. You say, but that's not nonsense. Share with you one ancient Chinese neuropractice, which rejuvenates the brain and prolongs youth. At least 20 years. It helps the brain create new neural connections, and the memory comes alive that you yourself will be surprised. Those unusual moves don't just involve sleeping TIs. They also improve blood supply to the brain, bringing back clarity of thinking. Seemingly, everything is elementary. Exercises involve both hemispheres, increase concentration and attention, significantly reduce the risk of stroke, Alzheimer's disease, and slow down brain aging. Practice regularly, and it will be a revelation for you. How sweet can your dream be? Pressure will return to normal, stress and you will feel inner harmony. Full exercise instructions. Take the link in the description. Massage this magic point from the cervical. Osteochondrosis as a hand will relieve a headache, blocks and clips of shoulder neck muscles. Following the massage, do these 3 simple steps. They normalize blood pressure, restore sleep and blood supply to the brain, 70% reduced risk of stroke, dementia and slow brain aging. Correct technique, exercise and number of massage movements you will find in the free manual. Follow the link in the profile description. Don't regret now. 5 minutes or 5 minutes, 430 Hz. This is the frequency of calm harmony. Just strongly recommend. After massage, self-massage Su-Jok dots on hands. Just spend in a chair or in a bed. Listen to just this music. For 3–5 minutes is very calming. Just recommend. Hope to meet. Be healthy.